Hi guys, get ready with me for a biglaang birthday party. First, I would like to have a skin prep for my face before I put on my makeup. As you can see, I'm popping my face with a little bit of toner, which is I usually do in a daily basis. And then I would love to apply a snail mucin, which is a serum type from COSRX. This is a highly recommended serum from Korea. Gives my skin the right amount of moisture, just enough to prevent dryness caused by the winter. And then as part of my skin prep, it is very important, guys, to put a lip balm. This is from Vaseline Lip Therapy. Diba? Kaya araw-araw tayong ginawa ng Diyos na pouty lips. Guys, I also love to use a second serum on my face in a daily basis. This is from Garnier Skin Active. Very affordable, brightens my skin, and it keeps my skin smooth and healthy. Di mo kaya. Charot. I also love to use this facial spray from Mario Badescu, just to incorporate all the products that I already applied on my face. And then the next product that I will use is the moisturizer. This is from Garnier Skin Active. Like the serum, the second serum that I put, it has vitamin C. It also helps brighten your skin and giving your skin a smooth and healthy. And after the skin prep, I would like to start my makeup using this Skin Illuminating Primer. This is from Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl. Charat! Ayan guys, ang skin primer is very important because it will make your makeup last longer. Diba? Di mo kaya. Now I'm putting this full coverage of liquid foundation from NYX. This is in the shade of Natural. Diba? Now to apply this thoroughly on my face, I would love to use first a brush. Just to evenly spread the product on my face. A piece of advice, guys. Before buying or applying any product on your face, the first thing you should know is you should know very well your skin, the skin type, your skin weakness, just to prevent damaging your skin. And now I'm using sponge to blend, of course, the foundation on my face, going to the cheeks, my chin, and then through the neck. Diba? Ayan, sometimes if in a daily basis, I like to brush my eyebrow but not putting any product. Kasi makapal yung kilay ko, guys. Ayan. And now I'm using this concealer, just to cover and correct any chismis sa mukha ko. Ayan. So as you can see, may pattern siya kung paano maglagay. And then, using the sponge, just to blend evenly on my face. Very important sponge, guys, para ma-prevent nyo yung makeup nyo being cakey. O, diba? Di natin gusto yung cakey. Diyos ko, day. Charos. Ayan, so as you can see, top is the key. And now I would love to use this lip balm to my lips also. Putting lip balm is very important, mostly during the winter days. Now I'm starting the contour. Since the birthday is very simple, tayo papakagalam. So, saktong-sakto lang ang paglagay natin ng contour. This is from e.l.f. Glow Makeup Contour. And now I'm using brush to evenly blend this on my face. And as you can see, I'm doing an upward stroke motion in blending in my contour. Guys, it is very important for you to know the structure of your face in doing contour para achieve mo yung gusto mong hugis ng yung face. And now I'm applying this loose powder from Rare Beauty just to lock in up all the liquid products that I already put on my face. Ayan, para pak na pak, kapit na kapit at mag-last long siya. Di mo kaya. And now I'm using this actually a lip care product from Vaseline as a blush. This is in the shade of Blooming Pink. And I want to use a brush just to blend in. And para yung pigment niya ay lumabas talaga. And then I will use the sponge just to blend this blush on the contour. Now for my eyeshadow, since simple lang yung occasion na pupuntahan ko ngayon, I want to use bronzer as my eyeshadow just to warm up my face. Yun ang sikreto guys, para hindi ka naman pak na parang laban na laban ka sa Miss Universe. Kapag daily basis lang, use a bronzer. And now to finish up my makeup, I would like to use a translucent powder in the shade of 100. This is Fit Me from Maybelline. Ayan, I'm using a brush, as you can see, just to revisit all the parts of my face that's supposed to have a powder, just to prevent the extra shine on your face. And now for my lips, I would like to use this Superstay Lip Crayon from Maybelline. This is in the shade of Live on the Edge. And I would like to use this as a border to my lips, diba? Ayan, so little bit, and then I will apply a lip gloss also from Maybelline Superstay. And now my makeup is done. To set this makeup, I would like to use this setting spray from NYX. And then, ta-da! This is our final look for tonight's video. Di mo kaya, gandang walang pinapatunayan. Thank you for watching.